Right, I had the Jeep with it. About to give y'all a POV in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie. Don't mind, it's a little dirty right now. I gotta go get that hole cleaned up. You feel me? I just left the goddamn barbershop. So yeah, I'm about to give y'all a POV. But give me 1 second, I'm about to pick up the camera. In a few seconds, give me 1 second. I got y'all boys with the POV. Alright, we goddamn even. Oh shit, I'm about to goddamn get in an accident. I ain't even see that nigga. I know y'all ain't see his ass. Yeah, we about to goddamn pull off. I ain't doing nothing but really chilling right now. I'm finna go get my... Damn, what am I finna do? I'm finna go link up with my boys from school. So yeah, we about to get a little... Hey, don't expect me to be driving fast in this little Jeep now. This ain't no track all. There's a Wrangler on 26 is on 37, you feel me? So if you're expecting me to be speeding in that motherfucker, hey, came here for the wrong thing. I ain't gonna lie to you, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'm having a good day. I just got my hair cut. I ain't been doing too much and really nothing today. Went to the gym and shit. So yeah, I'm just chilling right now. I need some food though. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all how I drive this thing, man. If I had to rate this Jeep on a scale of 1 to 10 on drives, like on the rides, boy, hey, it ain't that good, man. I give it like a, some days, like, I give it like a 5. Damn, that truck moving, boy, that Ram. I give it like a 5 out of 10. Some days a 4, it be driving real bad. But hey, that's what comes with a Jeep, man. So the only thing you can do is buy stuff that help it drive even better. Look at all them Jeeps right there, though. Yeah. Hey, I see that man right there. Hold on, he about to pull up. I see that man right there on campus. That wrap, I don't know what that is. That bed line and whatever. That bitch is so hard, bro. I'm trying to tell you. Hey, let me know down in the comments below. Like, if I wrap this Jeep right now, it's painted silver. If I wrap this Jeep, man, what color should I wrap it? I've been really thinking of like a black. Like, I really like the black for real. The black hit crazy. I don't know, I just feel like black, like, you can't go wrong with a black, like, unless I really want to pop out on some crazy shit, I might, but the black really just where it's at right now. Oh shit, I ain't even got a signal light on or nothing. Slow your roll, player. Play goddamn roll. So yeah, we just chilling. Goddamn, get out in the middle of the road though. You see, alright, so look, y'all. This is why I be saying, like, it don't really drive that good. Like, I ain't even shaking. It's just how, like, the tires on the road is, like, look at this thing. Hold on, I'm about to show y'all. Like, look at this. Look at it. Stunning wheel going everywhere. I ain't got no depth wobble though, a little bit. Hey, look though. You see how that thing shaking when I tie the brakes? That ain't good. I gotta get that shit fixed or something. Like, I gotta buy something else. Damn, my shades. Damn. I got a steering stabilizer on this bitch. I got a rough country 4-inch lift with I think I got 3-inch core spacers in the front. I got a little lean, you feel me? But that's only really like when the gas tank filled up all the way. Don't mind, you know, I ain't wearing no seatbelt. Don't mind that. You see the tire pressure light on. I ain't putting no sensors in my tires, so plan on trading them anyway it go. But hey, I'm gonna be honest with y'all boys. I gotta goddamn go off-roading more. So that's why I'm looking into doing and shit. So let me know in the comments below what wheel should I get, what setup should I go with. Cause I'm gonna be honest with y'all, like I don't know what I really wanna do with the build no more. Like, I don't know. Just let me know what y'all wanna see on this channel. Cause I'm finna start dropping more every day. Subscribers, none of that shit really don't matter to me. I'm just really having fun. Like, for real. That Mustang right there. That shit calm though. Oh shit. See what I be saying? I'm all over the road. Look like on the camera I was about to hit that bitch. See what I'm saying? I ain't even do nothing but switch hands. Yeah, that Mustang right there hard, though. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Y'all Mopar type of, like, y'all Mopar fans, like y'all Ford fans, y'all Camaro fans, like really let me know. Cause I'm gonna be honest with y'all, like, on some real shit, I'm really like I've been really feeling like a Scat Pack, the Hellcats, and the track cars, like, on some Mopar shit. Oh, and I forgot one, the foreigns, like the Mercedes, let me think. Only thing I really think of right now is a Mercedes. But yeah, I like the Mercedes too, the AMGs, they hard. But I don't know, but lately, I've been thinking about, like, I really been manifesting a Scat Pack, so later down the line, I keep working real hard. I know I'm gonna get a Scat Pack for sure. For sure. Scat Pack, I'm gonna work my way up, get a Hellcat, then, hey, who knows what I'm gonna do after that, I promise you. So, hey, be on the lookout for any and everything. About to go on campus right now. Like, look at this bitch, y'all, this bitch just shaking, like, I'm only going 55. Hey, I'm trying to tell y'all, imagine me driving 3 hours from VA to NC, like, it's crazy, bro. Like, sometimes I be going 50, and I just took my girlfriend with me on a trip back home, so it was even like, she was even like, I was surprised, like, she wasn't even tripping. She was just asleep the whole time. Hey, I'm like, damn, that nigga really a trooper. I mean, she really a trooper. So, yeah, it ain't nothing too crazy, you feel me? Like, I feel like my Jeep is like a unique Jeep, you feel me? Like, I say that because, like, I don't know, people see my Jeep, like, I get a lot of, like, especially, like, on campus and stuff, like, where I go to school at, I get a lot, some people would turn their heads, like, the older people would turn their head, they won't really say too much. They don't really say too much or nothing like that, but it'd be, like, the younger kids, they'd be like, oh, that Jeep trash, but it's like, I don't really care, like, it's just it's my build, like, you gotta respect everybody's build. Some people don't understand it, so I like to hate you, just motivate me, keep doing better on some more shit. So yeah, that's how I see the situation. You feel me? So yeah, I don't know. Like, one thing I have been thinking about upgrading. Oh shit, I'm turning. What are you doing? One thing I have been thinking about upgrading is my display. Like, I've been seeing one. Hey, shout out to Duke Dennis, even though that nigga don't know me, but hey, Duke Dennis got like he had like this hard like display screen, and I've been seeing it, but that thing costs $1,000. That thing costs a bean, like $100. Nah, I'm lying. It costs $1,000, but I don't know. I really was looking at it. It's so hard. But I just feel like I gotta do some more stuff before I get to that, like that other stuff. I might have to change my gears up. Right now I'm on stock gears. So, you know, I'm gonna basically like go through all this, what I got in the Jeep right now. Basically, I got a new radio, nothing too crazy. I got 2 MXT12s with a MXT amp. I can't remember the wattage of the amp. I'm sitting, so I ain't gonna lie to y'all, my phone just said I'm out of storage. So I gotta figure out a situation to get my phone fixed. I got you, my boy. Yeah, you feel me? I like that. So yeah, I gotta figure out a situation to get my phone figured out. So yeah, but as I was saying, I was basically giving y'all a rundown of all my stuff I got on the Jeep. I said that I got this radio. I got 5% tint all the way around. Well, not 5. I got 20 on the front with a 5-inch strip. Then I got I'm sitting on a 4-inch rough country lift. Damn, I gotta find parking. I'm sitting on a 4-inch rough country lift with 3-inch core spacer lift. I got a rough country steering stabilizer. Yeah, that's really it. Ooh, is that a ZL1? I said a ZL1. What the fuck? A Z71. I'm drunk as hell. That truck hard though. But yeah, that's the only thing I really like gotta do. Now I'm just looking for parking. So yeah, I'm gonna get back up with y'all boys when I get back in the Jeep. So yeah, y'all boys be safe. I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit.